Hello, I hope you are well. Welcome to our channel. Today we want to talk about rosemary propagation. Propagating rosemary is pretty straightforward. You can use stem cuttings and root them either in water or in a well-draining potting mix. Collect healthy cuttings to get started. Take 4 to 6 inches long cuttings from a healthy rosemary plant, preferably in the morning when the plant is well hydrated. Choose stems that are fresh and green, with no signs of yellowing or disease. Trim the cuttings. Remove the bottom leaves from the cutting by gently pinching them off. Leave a few leaves at the top to help with photosynthesis. This step will help the cutting focus its energy on root development instead of maintaining foliage. Then, plant it in a pot filled with well-draining potting mix, keeping the soil moist but not waterlogged. Place in a bright location. Place the cuttings in a spot with bright, indirect light, as direct sunlight can cause excessive water evaporation and harm the developing roots. Maintenance. Water the plant regularly to maintain moist soil, and prune any dead or diseased branches as needed. Once established, you can start harvesting rosemary leaves for your cooking. Check root development after a few weeks. Gently tug on the cutting to check if roots have developed. If you feel resistance, it indicates that roots have started forming. Please support us by subscribing so that we can make more videos. Thank you for your support. Happy propagating and gardening.